Welcome back to another Q&A sessions. I'm getting a lot of questions across all the social media platforms, and most of you guys are asking me that Daulat, due to this COVID situation, we can't step out of our home, we are stuck at home, we are not able to do our workouts. So what should we do in this time? Like, how should we take ourselves in a momentum? We have to keep ourselves healthy and active at the same time, and how we can perform our workout. So what should be the ideal workout plan which you recommend, what we should focus more on? So that's all I'm going to cover right in this video. I do understand, because I'm also not able to do my workout. Like, I generally able to go out for the gym, but the gyms are closed. The gyms are open, but we have to take the responsibility. We have to be responsible citizen for stopping the virus not spreading, and that's why I'm staying at home. So I will tell you that what I follow for my routine is, like, what is my routine in this situation, that how I'm dealing it. That's all I'm going to cover right in this video. So stay tuned and watch it till. So the very first thing I would like to tell you, all of you, as you all know, that I always recommend all of you that you should focus more on your nutrition. Like, you are doing workout, that is absolutely great, but what is more important when it's come to keeping us healthy and building muscle or losing fat, no matter what goal you have, that's all depend on your nutrition. If you follow the right nutrition, you can able to get the right result. Otherwise, no matter how hard you train in the gym, no matter how much effort you put, like you doing heavy weight training or high reps training, no matter what kind of training program you are following, if you don't take the right nutrition, it's not going to work. So the first thing in this situation you have to focus is on your nutrition. And as far as workout concerned, in this, what I want to say, that you don't have weights at your home, you have to do normal freehand power training. What do I mean by that? For the workout, you can do push-ups. You can include all the different type of variations of push-ups, like diamond push-ups, wide push-ups, close, decline, incline. So all the different variation which you can include around your chest muscle, that you can. And for legs, you can do squats, and the same way that you have to include variations, like you can do normal squats, one-legged squat, close grip squat, wide squat, jumping squats. So there are tons of variation which you have to include. We know that we don't have equipment, so we have to depend on these variations, and we try to increase the reps of these exercises. In this situation, we mainly try to focus on gaining the strength rather than gaining on muscle, because for gaining muscle we need heavy weight training, but in this time we can work on our strength. So this is for those of you who want to gain muscles. In this situation, what I would recommend you, that you have to take the calories above your average calorie intake. Like, our average calorie intake throughout the day is 2800 grams. So in your case, when you are trying to get bulk, when you're trying to increase the muscle, in your case, what you have to do, you have to take close to 3000 or 3500 calories you can consume. But the calorie you are consuming, you have to be very well focused, that you should not get from the bad foods, like you taking rolls, you can having burgers, you can having sugars, you can having pastries. So don't consume those calories from those food, because those are bad calories. It will create a negative impact. Try to consume good calories from good foods. And those who want to lose weight, for them, what I recommend you, that you should take below 2800 calorie, because the moment you go yourself down below that calorie, automatically you will find that you are starting losing weight, because our body needs average calorie to. If we take 2800 calorie, what will happen? We are able to maintain our current stage. Neither we grow nor we lose, we'll stay in the same position. But if you decrease the calorie intake, automatically your weight will go down. If you increase the calorie intake, your weight will go up. So this is what you have to keep in mind when it's come to nutrition. Like, try to include all the important macro nutrients, like protein, good amount of protein, good amount of fat, right carbohydrates, all the multivitamins or minerals. That's all you have to provide in a right quantity. So know what is your BMI, what is your body condition, and according to that you have to plan your nutrition. So these are the things which you can follow for your nutritions and for your workouts. And if you want to know more about the workouts, so I have written a complete workout plan. You can go to daulathussain.com, where you can find I have the PDF, so you can go and check, or you can find a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, so you can check that as well. And so I will link the video in the I will link the nutrition ebook which I have written in the description, so you can download that, and that one is super effective. And this is what I follow for myself, so if you want, you can download that from the description. And this is how we're going to plan and do our workout or nutrition in this COVID time, like we are stuck at home. So this is what we actually going to do. I actually going to do for myself, so you guys can do the same thing, and trust me, if you follow in the right way, you're going to get the result. Definitely you will get the result. So hope that's it in this video. If you have any question or any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. We can have conversation there. That's it for this video. Bye bye.